Wairutri Yela. Apa na mupia mchoko na grandpa na ni solo. Nili apa ya
Laksrang pa isol ya somoyo nga nagni kasabi ka pa di drum. Nangko padung gamagsi chingni phagpa ni.
Nani it number 7 school get. Itu sebutin semua ada program hari pertama it number 7 school get. Angun Gombo.
Ay nag-hanba na pa ibra.
This is regarding the peacemaking, because it seems to be unknown incident which nobody expected, but then all of a sudden it happened, which should not have happened. It is because of the leaders, because they don't take care of it. Our environment, our way of living, everything is being changed now. So accordingly, the leaders should find out the pollution so that everyone will live in peace. And that is the motto of this meeting, and which is being organized by the women's wing of Tura. And I really appreciate this organization. Well, government should give the justice, because it is not being what is called unplanned. It is being planned. So they have put the stones and all on the road. They have blocked the road, and they have not only one or two, but they have come with tools, blunt tools. So this should be properly checked, and then it should be brought to the justice, so that everyone will be in peace.